arbitrationagreements.org. Today we are focusing on an important aspect of alternative dispute resolution, the Resolution Management Conference. Before we dig into what it is, please like this video, press the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. Now, it's important to note right away that an increasing number of disputes are being settled outside of traditional court proceedings. According to the American Bar Association, by the end of 2022, over 50% of corporate disputes were resolved through alternative dispute resolution methods. So, what is a resolution management conference? In essence, it's an alternative dispute resolution meeting between disputing parties and a neutral third party, typically a judge or mediator, before the actual trial or hearing starts. The aim is to simplify the issues in dispute, identify areas of agreement and disagreement, and make proceedings more efficient. It also gives the parties the opportunity to discuss settlement possibilities. In fact, according to the Federal Judicial Center, in federal civil cases, up to 70% of cases that go through a resolution management conference are settled before they reach trial. At a resolution management conference, all parties can present their sides, hear the other side's arguments, and work together to determine the most effective way to move forward. Why is this so valuable? Not only does it save time and resources, but it also reduces the emotional toll that a prolonged legal battle can take on the parties involved. There's no doubt about it. Alternative dispute resolution, and specifically resolution management conferences, are proving their worth in our modern legal system. They are effective in saving both time and money, whilst maintaining a human approach to legal disputes. So if you ever find yourself entangled in a legal dispute, remember that a resolution management conference may be an excellent option. It can provide a quicker, less stressful, and more cost-effective path to resolution. To learn more information about these conferences, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think about resolution management conferences? Do they seem like a potential solution to resolving a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.